Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get paid every minute posting free ebooks and articles. All you just have to do is take these ebooks or articles and post it on a particular website I'm going to be showing you. You can make like $1 to $50 every day posting these articles without you don't have to drive traffic to these articles or make any sales to make all this money. All you just have to do is take these articles, probably spin them over if you want to do it the lazy man type, or if you can write articles, that would be very great. Just take these articles and post it on the site. So if you want to do it the lazy man way, I'm going to show you a site or group some sites so you can get these articles, and I'm going to show you the hack which you will use to spin these articles you'll be getting for free. And I'm going to show you another website where you post these articles and you start get paid every 1 minute, and you can make as much as 50 to $100 to $300. The more you post, the more money you make online. So with that being said, guys, my name is Matthew, and this is my channel, and on this channel I make tutorials around making money online. So if today is the first day or the first time of you coming across my channel, please leave me a subscribe, leave me a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when I post awesome videos or better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. I'm really going to appreciate that so well. So with that being said, let's go right straight into the video. So to get your free articles, probably you want to come to this website called IDPLR to get your articles. Come to this website, sign up, register for an account, and once you sign up, you can get free articles on here. The next website you want to check again, you can check out freeplrdownloads.com. So on here you can get free articles you can post. And the next website as well, you can check on Ensign Articles. Ensign Articles, that's where you get articles you want to post as well. So probably you want to come to Ensign Articles. Let me see right there. Okay, probably you want to come to Ensign Articles. Let me just say how I go here. So you want to go to ensignarticles.com, and this is what the page is going to look like. So let's say we want to talk about, there are different niches here you can post. You can take any articles from here you want to post. Okay, let's talk about, let's say we want to post articles on relationship, another relationship. Let's see online dating. Let's see online dating real quick. You can do this in any of the three sites I just mentioned, IDPLR and freeplr.com, and Ensign articles as well. So you can see my life story and the endless question, tips for your first date with someone you met online, disturbing things I do on phone with women. You know, you can post these things, the eye-catching topics. You can post people who want to be reading, 8 tips to help you have a successful threesome and all of that, blah blah blah. You can come on here and check that out. Then on FreePLR as well, you can also do the same. You can see there are free ebooks on here. Let's go to business. You can see there are a lot of niches on here, lots and lots of niches on here. So you can see a lot of ebooks on business, grow your Instagram, boost online sales, and all of that. You can go to the second page as well. You can go to the second page as well and check it out. You can see it has up to 10 pages or more. 10 work at home benefits. Let's check this one out. So guys, after you've gotten your ebook that you're comfortable with, that you want to post, okay, this one is great. So what you want to do is this one, you want to download it. To your computer. Don't worry, the file size is normally not big. I think this is just 441 kilobytes, so it's not big, so you don't want to. So now it's downloaded to our laptop. So The the next site, the last site you want to go is this site called steemit.com. Yeah, this site pays you for posting articles, and if your articles trend, wow, you're going to be making lots of money. As you can see, people are already making lots of money on here. You can see people are making lots of money on here already. As you can see, this person is making has made $20 already. This person has made $21 already. This person Zinasura has made $433 already with just 161 upvotes and just one comment. Wow, you can do the same, guys, and you can see this one as well made $392 already, and this one $248 already 17 hours ago. So guys, calculate it and know how much the person has been earning since he posted it. How much dollar this person is earning per minute for posting his articles for the past 17 hours. So help me do the calculation and just help me comment the answer you got in the comment section below. I really appreciate that. And if you have any questions as well, you can also leave it in the comment section below concerning anything making money online or concerning this video you want to know more. You can leave comments there, and if you're getting value from this video, please leave me a like as well. So as you can see, these are the money people are making. This is Veronica Lee, and she has made she posted this yesterday, probably let's say 24 hours, and she has made $416 already. So guys, you can do this as well. You can do this yourself and make money as well. So once you're on this site, the next place you want to go is sign up. You want to go to sign up real quick. So it's gonna open a place for you like this, and you want to scroll down and you want to click sign up for free right here. Sign up for free right here. So here you want to fill in your username, your email address, then your phone number. They're going to send a code to your phone number and you're going to verify. I don't want to go through all that now. You can do that. It's very easy. And when you sign up, they are going to give you a password key. It's like a key. If you're into crypto, it's like a wallet key where you just have to save the key safely in a very safe place, probably in your notepad, and that's what you'll be using to log in. Then you come back on once you save it and you sign up, you confirm your email and phone number. Then you come back here and you want to log in into your account. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. As you can see, the key is very long. That's this password down here. That's the key. You want to save it very well so that you don't lose it, because if you lose it, you lose all your money. So that's basically it. So I'm just going to click login. Just going to click login and logged me in. It's loading. So right, it's logging me in. Let's go check out the ebook we downloaded, and it's right here. So I'm just gonna open it up and extract it. Okay, let me do it this way. Just gonna right click that. Computer slow, extract files. In case you don't know how to do this, this is how to do it, and click OK, and our file is extracted here. So you want to come on here, and this is our article. Open it up, and this is cancel my 5G. Oh no, this is not it. I got the wrong one. Okay, so you're gonna open it up. Let's check if I'm logged in. Okay, I'm logged in already on steemit.com. Steemit.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the name of this website on the description below, so you don't need to bother yourself about writing it down. So on here you can see I've logged in, and once you register and you're logged in, you might want to follow some space, crypto space, love, relationship, architecture, travel, whatever, what have you. And what you just have to do is get quality content you're going to be using. What we are looking for is unique content, something very unique, not something that everybody is going to be posting. Yeah, you're going to be getting it free, but if you can write, so you can write true life story, you can write about anything happening around you and all of that. Just be original and all of that. You're going to use it to make money. So once you're logged in and you've done all that, you want to click on this icon that looks like a pen up here, and it opens the space for you. What's the title of the ebook we want to post? So I'm going to check that out. So it says 100 work at home benefits. 100 work at home benefits. So you want to come here, you want to type 100 work at home benefits. You can just add step by step tutorial. Okay, let me just omit this, sorry. But you can come up with something much better. You don't want to use this exact same topic or the title of the book you want to post on here. So you want to come down, you want to scroll down on the first page. Alright, reserve, blah blah blah, till the introduction. So you want to copy this introduction. This. So you want to copy, a few. Number 2, Control C. You want to come to this app. You want to come to this software called you can use this one called freearticlespinner.com. All you just have to do, what we're trying to do here is to rephrase the article so that it doesn't sound the same way you copied it. Copying and pasting the same is not a good idea at all, especially when you're dealing with making money online. You have to be creative and do your own thing yourself. So you want to click on Control V that, and you want to spin that, input symbols. Okay, you want to do is AKNI. This is not my favorite site software for doing this, but I just want to show you so that I have options. Invalid capture, so that's capital letter SHV. Okay, see, that's gonna spin introduction, presentation. So you see, this ebook will give you 100 work at home triggers. This book will give you 100 work at home triggers. This work at home. I think this didn't spin it well. So the next one you're supposed to use, or you can use, is this one, and which I like very well. So you just post it there. And it's called Quillbots. This one is called Quillbots. Just come here, paste the article you want to spin, or you want to rewrite, or you want to phrase, and click paraphrase down here below. Click paraphrase, and it's going to paraphrase it for you right here. As you can see, it's going through, it's paraphrasing it. So while it's doing that, guys, if you're getting value from this video, please leave me a like on this video. I really appreciate that, because I want this video to be shown to more people online on here on YouTube as well. So if you leave a like for me, I really appreciate that. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's free to subscribe, absolutely free. So now you can see it has spin it over for us, and it has changed it, rephrased it for us, so it's not exactly the same thing. As well, another thing you can do is copy this one again. Copy it again, and come here, delete, Control A, delete that, and Control V that, and paraphrase again. So you can do that over and over again. And they have the paid version. You can see up here, you have fluency, you have creative, formal, shorten, expand. If you want them to expand this article, they can expand it for you, but those are paid version. If you want to pay for it, fine, but you can also use this free one. Just that this free one, you can only paraphrase 700 words a time. So the way to go around this one is by probably copying the articles set by set and paraphrasing them stage by stage, or in like you want to break it down and paraphrase it. So once you do this, you've copied it, you want to go back to on here, you want to come here, Control V, that's where you just paraphrased, and that's it. I'm just going to use the short run. I don't want to do on the page. Then you add your hashtag. Hashtag is very important, so people get to find you. So hashtag make money online, hashtag affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing, no space bar when using your hashtag, hashtag and money online. So you want to do all of these, add a reasonable hashtag. You can add more so that it can get viewed as well, more and more. Then after you've done all that, after you post everything is in order, you want to click on post. And it's posting, and yeah, voila, our article is live right on here. And you see this person just posted as well how to make money using affiliate marketing. So guys, basically this is how you make money posting free articles online. So all you just have to do from now on is you can post like 5-10 different articles a day. The more you post, the more money you're going to make. So guys, basically this is how you make money online, guys. Like I always say, don't just watch this video, do something, get working, and definitely you're going to make money using this strategy. And I'm sure you're gonna ask me about withdrawal. Well, this site is built on cryptocurrencies, so you're going to be withdrawing your money through Bitcoin or TRX. So that's basically the way you withdraw your money to your wallet, and from then sell it for cash. So as you can see, I've shown you people are making lots and lots of money online. These are people who just posted recently and all of that. So guys, this is how you make money online, selling free articles you got for free. So guys, see you on my next video, and stay winning and work hard, put in the work grind, and make money